Are you looking for perfect backdrop for your Christmas photos this year? You're in luck! We've put together a list of the top 5 best Christmas backdrops for photography. From festive scenes to rustic country settings, there's something for everyone. So let's get started with the list. List number Walada 10x10 FT Christmas backdrops for photography. Our Christmas backdrops for photography is a very durable and non-reflective vinyl. It is easy to carry and store without any peculiar smell, making it suitable for newborn photos, children's birthdays, weddings, and other themed celebrations. The backdrops can carry out professional photography studio work with ease. 10x10-foot blue Christmas music vinyl photography backdrop cloth. The vinyl material is a highly popular and unique choice for photography backgrounds. It's durable, non-reflective, light in weight, and easy to carry. It has no peculiar smell. Wide selection of colors make it possible to create any environment. It comes in various sizes, which can be customized according to the customer's needs. With its gorgeous and rich color, it makes the perfect choice as a photography backdrop. List number IIKS 10 feet Christmas backdrops. IIKS backdrops is a high-quality, professional-grade backdrop that can be used for photography and video production. Our large-format backdrops are perfect for all of your photo scenes and will give your images a true 3D feel. Our backdrops are lightweight, durable, and eye-catching. This high-quality vinyl cloth backdrop is perfect for creating beautiful, colorful scenes for your Christmas and winter vacation photos. The backdrop is made of thick, soft vinyl material that is durable, lightweight, and has a cut-proof backing. This backdrop is printed using high-definition digital print technology to produce vibrant colors, detailed patterns, and lifelike details that are sharp and clear. List number 7x5 feet red Christmas backdrop for pictures. This 7x5 feet red Christmas backdrop is a colorful backdrop you can use to create a festive look while taking photos on the beach or in the snow. It's easy to take on a short trip and hold up to frequent cleaning with industrial strength stain remover. Made of high quality material, lightweight and easy storage for photo studio. First, remove creases with wet cloth, white or low temperature ironing backdrop back. Second, roll up backdrop with a stick and put it for a few days to dry. This red Christmas backdrop is the perfect addition to your holiday party. Whether you want to use this backdrop as a backdrop for your photo booth or simply store it away as an extra decoration, this foldable backdrop will definitely add more color and vibrancy to your home. It is made of 100% Vinli material, so it's sturdy and durable. List number Chaya 7x5 Christmas backdrop, white wood floor photography. This Christmas backdrop set is perfect for home or event decor, whether you're hosting a party or celebrating the holidays. This backdrop set comes with our premium vinyl floor and features eye-catching details and an easy-to-carry design that is tear-proof, seamless, and lightweight. The backdrop set is suitable for any occasion. The Chaya 7x5 foot Christmas backdrop is made of durable vinyl material and is perfect for any Christmas event. The Klaya 7x5 foot backdrop is solid white and includes a flat, clean back. Perfect for professional photographers or anyone looking for the perfect backdrop to create stunning shots. Your guests will love how the backdrop stands out and how easy it is to set up. Attaching it to the wall is perfect because it won't reflect in photographs, but also you will be able to hang any decorations on this backdrop after the party. List number Kokomang Christmas backdrop for photography. This Christmas backdrop for photo shoot is made of high-quality polyester. It's soft, durable, reusable, seamless. No reflective and easy storage and carry. Children could touch safety. This backdrop is a nice accessory to your photo shoot or just as a decoration item in your home. This Christmas backdrops for photo shoot can be used as a professional photography backdrop for party, baby shower, bridal shower, wedding, celebration, anniversary, birthday, baptism. It's also good for product photography, as well as for television, video production, and digital photography. This backdrop is perfect for portrait shooting, baby shower, birthday photography, and video shooting. With the rich and bright color of your choice, you can capture the most beautiful memories and emotions with your photos or video. This backdrop is suitable for a child who likes to enjoy their holidays without all the mess.